Okay, so let's take a look at how you can disable article comments in Drupal. So what we can do is we're going to check out our Drupal site. Here you can see our article content option. Here you can see I need to log in or register to post comments. That's the setting we have set up. But if you made it open for anonymous comments, then you can disable that with few options. So we will take a look at that. So click on login link. You can sign up to your account. Okay, now next thing that we are going to do is we're going to click on content. Then we have to check for our article where we wish to just edit for the comments. So let's say here you can see on the left hand side I have my content, also options for content specific stuff like tags, etc. And on the right hand side you can see here menu settings, comment settings. Click on comment settings, and here you can click on close button. Now users whether logged in or anonymous can't access this comment settings. So okay, so simply check out your updated article page, and you can see no options for your comments, be it a login user or anonymous. None of them can add comment now. Okay, so you get the idea how to disable article comments in Drupal.